Hello everyone, I Vidushi Daga welcome you heartily in our Hema Foundation's Hem Virtues, where we will make sure that you can learn anything with technology, where we are also integrating our values. So let us start. Today's topic is hope. Now we all have hoped that we can become something and make a difference in the world. We all hope that we can accomplish our wishes. We all hope that can I become the richest person in the world and help other people. So these are the different hopes, but hope is the only thing that makes you achieve your goals, because you have a hope that you can achieve it. You have a determination that you want to achieve it, right? So let us start that with technology, okay, and hope. I want to show you that how we can achieve all your dreams and make them come true. So today's session, I thought let us keep it very interesting, where I want to teach you something about Google. What I usually call Google is an Ichhadhari Bhagwan. You know why? Because जो मांगो Google से मिल जाता है. As in, whatever you ask Google, you just get it. So here, I want to start teaching you a little bit about the whole big world, where Google is not only about searching. It has a lot of new tools that can help us in our day-to-day lives and very, very useful. So something that I use in my day-to-day life, okay, and I hope that even you will use it in your day-to-day life, because it makes our life much, much simpler. So let us start, alright? What you have to do is, I will start my screen sharing. Very simple. I want you to go on google.com, okay? Now when you go on Google, on the top right side, you can see these 9 dots. These are different apps that Google has provided us. You just have to click on those 9 dots, okay? And can you see Keep over here? You have to click on Keep. Now when you click on Keep, now I already have been making lots and lots of notes in Google Keep, okay? But in case you don't have anything, a blank screen will appear. Alright, so now I'm going to teach you the hidden things that you can do using Google Keep. Step 1, you can take notes, okay, using Google Keep. Step 2, once you have taken the notes, you can also share it with the person whom you wish to, as in it is called collaborative working. So let's say you made some notes or you made a list, you can share it with your friend, and your friend can also make some changes, okay? You can then further change the color to, in case you make it red, to make it more important, you make it green. Let's say, I have some documents stored that are useful for me in day-to-day life. For example, my driving license, my PAN card number, my company account details, etc. So all that you can mark it in a particular color, which is just easy for visibility. Alright. The third thing is, you can also add images in your Google Keep when you're making notes, and here you can do much more, as in you can add, usually people try to write with a stylus, so they can also write with a stylus, that is a pen. Or you can also just write with your mouse and then keep making notes if you are used to, writing on a notepad. So this is a very useful tool available on your smartphone, okay, and very, very handy, because you just have to download the Google Keep app on your smartphone and there you are ready to use it. So let me quickly start and show you. So let's say I take a note regarding hope. So this is, my title will be Hope, okay, by Hema Foundation. Alright, and now let me just write a small thing. I love to be hopeful. as it gives wings to my dreams. Okay, alright. Now this is the note that I have written. Okay, now let's say if I had written a reminder, as in if I had some note that okay, a meeting is there for my for my content with Hema Foundation tomorrow. So simple. Can you see this bell icon? You just click on this bell icon. You can tell, okay, you remind me today, tomorrow, next week, or what, so on and so forth. And you can also select a date and time. So in case you have any meetings, you can select, write about that meeting, make a short note, select what the day and the time is of that meeting, select where is the meeting, and then save it. And then tada, you will get a reminder notification on your smartphone or your computer. Alright, so this is simple. I will just show it to you. Select a day. Let's say I have a meeting tomorrow with Hema Foundation in the morning, and then I don't want to repeat it because it is just one meeting. I can also put a daily reminder if I want to, okay, and then close. Alright, so when I do such things, can you see my note is saved? Hope by Hema Foundation. I love to be hopeful as it gives to my dream, and a reminder is set. Now I want to do a few things before we go ahead. So I want to collaborate it. So let's say this is my note, but I want to make sure that a friend of mine also receives this note. So let's say I want to do collaboration with a friend, sudarshan.daga@clonefutura, and then when I press save, then he will also get an email, and if he has a Google Keep, even he will have a Google Keep notification that I have shared one note with him, and whatever changes Sudarshan makes, it will automatically be reflected. Okay. Similarly, I can give different people different different Google Keep notes, and then they can use it. Alright everyone, clear? Okay. Now next thing I want to show you, see, you will see if it is collaborated with anybody. Now next thing I want to show you is to add color so that my note is shown. So when I go here, I click on the purple color and then close it. Now can you see this note is right here, and I can see that it has been very easily spotting, okay, because it has been colored. Now I want to show you the most important thing that also helps me day in and day out. Let's say I want to add an image. Okay, so let me take a new note. Click here. Now I want to add one image to my note. Okay, now pay attention everyone, this will help you a lot. I click on add image. Okay, I select an image from my computer, let's say this one, and then I say open. Now can you see this image is being added to my Google Keep? But now this is a image, alright, it is a picture in which the words are written. Now let's say it was a big document in which all the words are written, but you wanted to get the text of that document, and instead of sitting and typing and copying each and everything, what will I do? Simple. Now pay attention, what will I do? Go on more, these three dots, and over here can you see grab image text? I will just click on grab image text, and there you go. You will see that when my image is here, I'll just show it to you, and see all the text, that is most of the important things in the world have been accomplished. See, can you see it's already written? I didn't sit and type it. I just went on more and I did grab image text, and all the text kept on coming here. Can you see? So all the capital letters came in capital letters, all the small letter came in small letters. Right? Isn't it magical? Yeah? Now one last thing before we go ahead that I want to show you is how do you take a note with a drawing. Let's say you have a habit of writing, so you will simply click on this, alright, Now you wish to draw something or write something. Let's say I write H, O and then P. See, it's looking too shabby. I delete it. Then again a P and then a E. Alright, hope. Now after this, when I finished writing, it is much easier when you write it on your mobile with a stylus. Okay, I just press here and see my image is saved. Okay, I can again set a reminder, collaborate with people, I can add a color, I can add some image to it and so on. Alright, now before I just go ahead, I want to show you how to pin. So for example, if this is an important thing that helps me day in and day out, okay, so I will just click here and pin the note. Can you see that? So this note has come here and it is pinned up. Okay, so it will be the first note as soon as I open Google Keep. Now let's say I don't want this note anymore. Okay, if I don't want it, simply go on these three dots. Okay, can you see delete note, everyone? Just click on delete note and your note is deleted. So I wish all of you all practice this, get it in your day-to-day life, as this is very helpful and it will make your work very easy, very organized, and it will help you to become a better organized person, where you will remember all your meetings, where your documents are stored. You can share it with the important people who are, useful enough so that they can use the document at the time when the need of the hour is there, and so on. So, cool. All the best using Google Keep. Stay in touch. And me, Vidushi Daga, signing off and making sure coming back with something more exciting that will help and make you hopeful and confident